Mercedes-AMG CLE 53 Coupe revealed. Gets a twin-turbo straight-six engine. Mild hybrid, four-wheel drive coupe is quicker and more powerful than the E53 Coupe it replaces. Mercedes-AMG 53 Coupe engine power comes from AMG's twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter straight-six petrol engine, supported by an integrated starter generator to make it a mild hybrid. It develops 448 horsepower and 560 Nm, with the ISG delivering an additional 23 horsepower and 204 Nm of torque for brief periods under acceleration. Drive is sent to both axles through a 9-speed torque converter automatic gearbox. MG Hector, Gloucester, a store get up to ₹1 lakh in year-end discounts. MG's electric city hatchback, the Comet, gets ₹65,000 in discounts this month. MG Motor India joins the long list of carmakers currently offering tempting year-end discounts. The Chinese-owned British brand has revealed its December 2023 discount list that has offers for the entire MG car and SUV lineup, including the Comet EV hatchback and the ZS EV SUV. The Hector SUV, MG's bread and butter product, was updated earlier this year with a second facelift and more features. The SUV comes with a 1.5-liter turbo petrol engine and a 2.0-liter diesel, which also sees duty in the Harrier, Safari, and the Jeep Compass. Discounts in the range of ₹50,000 are available on the Hector at the moment. MG is also offering ₹50,000 as exchange benefits on the Hector SUV, taking the total to ₹1 lakh. Tata Harrier, Safari get discounts of up to ₹1.50 lakh. Pre-facelift versions of the two SUVs. And the Altroz, Tigor, and Tigor get year-end benefits. Tata dealerships are offering benefits worth up to ₹1.50 lakh, including cash discounts, exchange bonuses, and corporate discounts on certain models in its lineup. However, its EVs, the Punch and the recently facelifted Nexon, Harrier, and Safari SUVs do not get any discounts. Tata Harrier, save up to ₹1.50 lakh. Tata Motors launched the facelifted Harrier a couple of months ago, but dealers continue to have stocks of the pre-facelift model on which they are offering benefits of up to ₹1.50 lakh. It's powered by a 170 horsepower, 2.0-liter diesel engine, which is mated to either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic. The Harrier scores high on road presence and interior space, and is built well with fantastic ride and handling balance. It rivals the likes of the 5-seater Mahindra XUV 700, MG Hector, and Jeep Compass. Tata Safari, save up to ₹1.50 lakh. Just like the Harrier, some Tata dealerships are also left with unsold stocks of the pre-facelift Safari, and here too, buyers can avail benefits of up to ₹1.50 lakh. The Safari gets the same powertrain options as the Harrier, and like its 5-seater sibling, it's well-built, has enough performance, and additionally, gets a reasonably spacious third row of seats as well. The Safari rivals the likes of the Hyundai Alcazar, MG Hector Plus, and Mahindra XUV 700. Tata Tigor, save up to ₹65,000. The Tigor compact sedan gets benefits of up to ₹65,000 on the petrol variants, while the CNG models have ₹55,000 off on them. It is powered by an 86 horsepower, 1.2-liter petrol engine mated to either a 5-speed manual or an AMP gearbox. In CNG spec, the engine produces 70 horsepower and comes mated to a manual gearbox only. The Tigor is a friendly city commuter that's good value for money, although the engine leaves you wanting for more. It rivals the likes of the Honda Amaze, Maruti Suzuki Dzire, and the Hyundai Aura. Tata Altroz, save up to ₹45,000. Tata's premium hatchback is available with a total discount of up to ₹45,000 across its petrol, diesel, and CNG variants. The Altroz gets 3 engine options: an 86 horsepower, 1.2-liter petrol, a 90 horsepower, 1.5-liter diesel, and a 110 horsepower, 1.2-liter turbo petrol engine. These engines are paired to a 5-speed manual transmission as standard, while the petrol also gets a 6-speed dual-clutch automatic as an option. The Altroz impresses with its ride and handling, is stylish to look at, and premium on the inside. But here too, the powertrains are a letdown. It rivals the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Hyundai i20, and Toyota Glanza in the market.